Smaller than a smart, but smarter than a mini. That's how Li Bing positioning of the new Firefly. It's like the mini of BMW family. This car is compact, budget-friendly, and still supports battery swapping. Today, I'm here to share everything that I know about the Firefly. Plus, I know you are curious about Onvo sales figures, so we'll dive into that too today. Hi, I'm Sheila Wang. I'm here to update the most cutting-edge information and business information with you. So if you want to get the latest of that, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe my channel. Now, let's dive into today's topic. Although the Firefly's first model is still in the spy-shot phase, we'll piece together enough information to sketch a rough picture of this sub-brand and its upcoming vehicle. Here are 4 key points of that. The first one, mini-sized hatchback. It boasts a refined feel that matches NIO's brand ethos. The second one, smart tech. Expect a dashboard and a big horizontal screen packed with surprises. The third one is global reach. The model will launch in Central Europe first. And the fourth one is sells through new store. Deliveries are set for the first half of 2025. So here you can leave some comments about how you think about the new Firefly. Well, the plan is to unveil the Firefly brand during News Day in December this year, with the product launches that allow for immediate delivery. Unlike the past new models, the Firefly will stand out with its distinct focus on being a boutique little car, with prices anticipated between 100,000 and 200,000 yuan. If they incorporated the battery as a service strategy, the price will be dip even lower. Now, the boutique little car. So what does that mean? Boutique little cars have always been a tricky subject for Chinese brands. Historically, they've excelled at pricing affordable cars for the masses, from the early Chery QQ to Wulin Hongguang Mini, and now the BYD Seagull. The focus has been on value for money. While these national cars continue to evolve, their major focus on cost effectiveness remains unchanged. In recent years, some smaller cars have started moving forward the boutique segment, like Zeekr's X and Chery's electric iCar. Yet, they've struggled to surpass the benchmarks set by BMW's Mini and Mercedes' Smart. So my friend, what makes Mini and Smart so popular? I think it's their unique designs and a slew of personalized innovations that enhances their allure. Plus, being under the umbrella of luxury parent brands gives them a premium edge. But here's the catch. Their higher price tags often mean lower sales volumes, right? This paradox could very well be the primary reason why these brands have maintained their appeal. While consumers love the idea of exclusivity, both BMW and Mercedes have long been trying to crack the code on how to boost the sales for this niche brand. Just this October, the newly launched electric Mini Cooper announced a price drop, with limited time offers slashing prices between 51,000 to 65,000 yuan. Whether it's BMW, Mercedes, or now NIO, there's a clear design to create a best-selling boutique car. So the challenge for the Firefly is real. Just adhere. It's not just about competing with Mini and Smart, it's about surpassing themselves. Therefore, I believe that constant price concessions are to meet the growing demand of users to save money. After all, in the present day, to save money is to make money. This is true everywhere. So today, we want to introduce our investor friends to a good investment software, MooMoo. MooMoo provides an incredible welcome bonus for the newcomers. Of course, available for a limited time only. With this exceptional offer, you can unlock the key to supercharge earnings on your uninvested money. That amount to 8.1% annual percentage yield, more than double the national average. But the savings don't stop there. MooMoo is also showing new users with up to 15 free stocks. So that's the free money in your pocket, ready to be put to work for you. When it comes to the price, the key differentiator. What's the biggest difference between a national car and a boutique car? Well, it's pricing. I think it must be pricing. National cars thrive on their cost effectiveness, while brands like Mini and Smart don't rely on low prices for their appeal. Instead, their branding allows them to create a scenario where the more expensive a car is and the more consumers want it. Thanks to NIO's battery swapping system, they have a strategic pricing advantage. That's a very good news for the Firefly. For instance, the L60 priced between 200,000 and 250,000 yuan could drop below 150,000 yuan with BAS. This means the Firefly can comfortably navigate between the budget and boutique segments. So do you think this is attractive points for the potential customers? So you can leave your comments below the video. Interestingly, also there are rumors that the Firefly could be sold through NIO's existing channels rather than adopting an independent strategy like Onvo. This will inevitably raise questions similar to those faced by Onvo. Can Firefly owners use the NIO House amenities? By choosing to sell the Firefly through NIO stores, NIO is not just minimizing the cost of building new channels, they're also tapping into an existing customer base. Since delivering its first vehicle in 2018, NIO has amassed over 600,000 vehicles on the road. Given NIO's positioning in the luxury electric vehicle market, when these owners look for a secondary vehicle, the Firefly could perfectly fulfill that need. Essentially, it's a great option for NIO families looking for a second or third car. For those not yet in the NIO family, this could lower a barrier to understanding their battery swapping system and possibly convert them into future NIO owners. Ideally, this could create a positive feedback loop for battery swapping. In China's market environment, my friend, you should know, especially in the new energy sector, even Mini and Smarter must play by the rules. The Mini Cooper, which never dropped below 200,000 yuan in the gasoline era, now has to slash prices for its electric version. Meanwhile, Smart is going larger to capture more market space. Faced with the current challenges in the boutique car segment, the Firefly might just bring a fresh solution to the table. I promise you, I will update the latest information about Firefly, so don't forget to follow my channel. Now, let's see the Onvo. In October, which marked the first few months of deliveries, the L60 from Onvo managed to deliver just 4,319 vehicles. It's a bit of letdown compared to other competitors in its price range. Onvo only sold 800 units last week, from November 4th to 10th. Somewhat awkward, right? While Onvo's president has mentioned that ramping up production could take time and set a target of 5,000 deliveries for both October and November. The current sales figures have left many NIO supporters feeling quite disappointed. I'd like to try to break down some of the reasons behind it. I think the first reason about the low sales is about the product strength. The L60 is lacking in quality, but its pricing strategy is a bit awkward. Competing with Tesla and Xiaomi SU7, it just doesn't stack up as well. The reason I point out this is not just to accuse NIO, but to help them to grow quickly. So I can hope you can understand that. The second point is battery swapping model. Why I said that? Honestly, there are still quite a few die-hard fans who are skeptical about the battery swap approach. Asking the user to pay 12,000 yuan a year just for battery rental? I think that's a steep cost. For those customers who are price sensitive, I think it's a hard thing. Short one is slow production ramp up. The company is struggling with the slow ramp up and serious other backlogs. This isn't just an Onvo issue. Xiaomi is facing the same challenges too. And the fourth one is intense market competition. The new energy vehicle market is way more competitive than it used to be. That has mentioned a lot of times in my previous video. Everyone's pulling out all the stops, and breaking through the noise is no easy feat. On that note, I've got some deeper insight for you based on explanations from Onvo's frontline staff to help shed light on the situation. If you want to get a more deep analysis report, you can check my link below the video. Lastly, as a long-time news analyst, I deeply hope that NIO can give our investors a good reply. And good luck for NIO. See you next time.